welcome back to my channel.
Okay, today's video is going to be candle making kits unboxing video. Finally, I got all of my parcel today. I'll show you this. I got my 4 parcel. Here, all of these are my parcel I got today. Without wasting our time, let's unbox all of this parcel. Let's unbox all those packets one by one. First, this package cost me 1260. Let's unbox this. I need to cut this. Oh. I got mold and this 2 types of mold. One is rose, one is flower. One is not flower, this one is big. This one. Let's see what is inside. It cost me 950. With delivery charge, it takes me 1000. With discount. Oh, this is wax melter. It is like this. Here it is. Wax melter. It's like this. It is like this. Wax melter. Now next, it cost me 3000. Let's see what is inside here. Okay. There is pills inside. What I have ordered, those pills. Heat gun, needle, wick holder, wick sticker, container, delivery charge 119. Almost altogether I have paid 3090. Oh, this is needle, and next one is this is wick holder. I think this is a sticker. Wow, it is containers. See, look so pretty. We can make candle here. Another one is okay. This is another color. This one is red. This, okay, I think this is heat gun. I think so. Yeah, it is heat gun. Here it is. You can see. There is menu also how to use this one. finally one box is split. Nothing is split. Why it is too hard? I'll say last one back it up. It's octado. Oh, पछाडि खोलेर. Okay, this is picture. In this we can make soya wax, any type of wax for candle making. Here it is. And last and least, this one I ordered from Dora's. See what is inside this. It cost me almost 3,000, something like that. Okay. Yeah. Something mold. This is bubble mold. Okay, I got 3 of them. This is gel wax for candle making. This is natural pure soya wax. I got 500 grams of it. Altogether I ordered 1 kg. This is another soya wax. And this is wig. And last and least, all the color for soya. Everything I got, but one thing I doesn't get it, that is frequent soul initial. They did me all, let's see, they're in review. I don't got this lavender initial oil on this package. I still message the Dara's service center. I don't got it. I get wigs and pure natural soya wax, bubble color, also gel wax also, but I don't get this oil for candle making. I need to feedback them. After unboxing all the things, this is all the candle making kits. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for many more upcoming videos.